Whenever you're working with projects inside of Shotcut, it is saving out temporary files, and it is saving out the files in a location, a specific location. And sometimes what may happen is that you might need to have access to those files, and if you haven't set out the app data directory, then you don't know where to look for that particular directory. So instead of that, before you even start working around with it, you can go around onto settings and then go to app data directory and click on show, and what happens is that the directory opens up, as you can see right here. So you can see that it is inside of the app data on inside of local, inside of multi-tech right here, inside of Shotcut. You see all of the folders right here, like presets, like autosaves, and everything else. But if you want to save this out in a particular folder of your choice, you can go around onto settings, go to app data directory and click on set. And over here it says you must restart Shotcut to change data directory. So I'm just going to go around and say yes. And now you can go around and select out a folder. So let me just create out a new folder on my desktop itself and select out that particular folder. And it says the project has been modified. Do you want to save your changes? So I'm just going to say yes. And there you go. You can see that new folder is here and the app is restarting right here. And this is the new data directory. You can see that this is the app directory right here. So it has been saved onto this particular folder, and all of the presets and everything will be saved here from now onwards. And that is how you can set the app data directory inside of Shotcut. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.